So when I first joined the program, I had no idea what was going on because the mastermind hadn't started yet. And I'm just so glad that I stuck it out. I did what Sean said, and I was able to do just 10 a day of just messages, sending them out to people that I already knew from my groups and friending people from my groups. And I've just been consistent with that. And the results from that has already just been absolutely wonderful. And now I have my little Facebook group that is a 5-day exercise challenge. And I thought long and hard before I made it. But I realized that everybody who needs my gym, they need help with like exercise. They need exercise accountability. And so I chose that as my Facebook group, and it is blowing up. Oh my goodness, it is so cool. Buzzing with excitement. I went from being really, I don't know what the word is, but you know when you send out your first message to say, hey, how can I support you? And it's to someone who you knew from a long time ago. I've been working through my warm people first, and you're like kind of nervous about what the response is gonna be. And then you send out like 20 messages, and then you get overwhelmed by the responses and replying to them. And then you kind of hide for, a weekend from your responses. And then they're coming on Monday, and it's just like this weird thing. Well, all of that is over because with repetition and practice comes confidence and excitement. And now I'm like, I can't wait for the responses. So the more I think about it, the more I think that what y'all do in Sales Ascenders is the most important business course I've ever taken. And I've paid for a lot of courses. I'm kind of a course junkie. I really, really enjoy learning. But wow, I am learning so much about building quality relationships from you guys, and the way that the mastermind is structured and what I'm learning. Basically, every single person I know who is in business, who I know that they have something amazing to offer the world, but I know they're struggling financially because they haven't been able to reach the right people. I want all of them to join you guys, like all of them, because you teach us, and everything seems so simple, right? Once you learn it, but I need to be going through this program with you guys and implementing each thing little by little and doing it myself and learning. I've needed the way you guys have it set up. And yes, it's super simple, but none of us were doing it before. I'm just so excited to be reaching out to entrepreneurs in Las Vegas, and I'm so excited to find them and to talk to them. And I'm starting right now I'm looking for my 10 new people for today, and it's so fun. It was just so important for us to just keep going and keep trying different things until we hit on the thing that really makes our heart sing and gets us excited. I am doing the follow-ups. Whew, it is so hard to send another message when they didn't reply to the first one. And I haven't had anybody be negative or mean to me. So that's pretty cool. And I think my biggest thought is I'm about to run some ads, right? And what's so cool about prospecting is we get to pick who we talk to. And I've been literally looking at people's Facebook profiles and only reaching out to the ones who have positive stuff on their Facebook profiles. Even if technically they hit the demographic, I'm only choosing ones who have positive stuff and they're smiling. I'm in kind of a weird space right now. I just need to go back to being consistent. I'm focusing on nurses because they seem to just have the best feedback. I think entrepreneurs do get hit up a lot in the DMs, right? But local nurses, they're just oh, this nice lady messaged me. And yeah, I would like to be a part of that. So we've gotten a couple nurses into the group. So I'm focusing on nurses here locally, and the 5-day challenge kickoff is amazing. I love this system that I'm creating, but I'm really, really excited about my new offer because the gyms are just a hard sell right now. Everyone has to wear masks. And so I just feel like I'm spinning my wheels, and I'm getting a lot of people saying, well, when this whole thing is over, then we'll come in. And so I am going to be focusing on my new offer, which is for women who want to lose 20 pounds before their next event. And I am I'm in the middle of a women's course that's just absolutely fantastic. A lot of new information out there for women and how we're different from men as far as weight loss and performance and all of that. I've been using, the prospecting general idea, but not like the group part of it. And really, I'm just waiting for that software to come out because I don't want to train a VA on all of the other stuff if everything's going to change. So I'm waiting for the software to come out, and I also want to make sure that whatever I'm doing, that it's really, really working before scaling it, which is exactly what you guys teach. It's all what you guys teach. But I was taking action in my head, like planning, but I needed to just be talking to people. I needed to be out there talking to people, and then that's where the answers come from.